Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing today? Welcome back to another video, and if you are new to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you will be notified. Here in this video we're going to be discussing about top 8 selling gigs on Fiverr you can actually try out today. If you notice that you have a skill or have an idea on how you can actually do any one out of the 8 selling gigs on Fiverr. So in this 8 selling gig on Fiverr, I'll go through the Fiverr platform and show you how sellers are actually performing on these niches. So I'll be checking one after the other to see how each of these skills or each of these gigs are actually performing on the Fiverr marketplace. So in this video we're discussing about top 8 selling gigs you can actually try out on Fiverr today. So let's get started. First gig we'll be discussing about is app development. What do I mean by app development? There are a lot of sellers on this niche already. So, and if you can create a gig on this app development of a 10 on Fiverr marketplace, so there are a lot of people who are actually interested in this kind of service on Fiverr. So if you created a gig or if you create a gig on this category, definitely there's a lot of sales you will be making on the using the Fiverr platform. So yeah, that is that. And also if you notice that you have much experience, or you can actually get someone that can do this kind of service for you, you can create a gig on this niche, and definitely there's a lot of sales you'll be making out of it. The second gig we'll be discussing about is video ads. You know, every business needs a video, and nowadays people are actually creating a video for their product or their business. So definitely if you create a gig on the video ads, there are a lot of sales on this, and you can see here on the Fiverr marketplace. So definitely you'll be able to make your sales out of this gig if you create it on the right way. So the third gig you'll be looking at is copywriting. Yeah, copywriting is kind of like wide, but of course there are some certain gigs or certain categories in which if you create a gig on it, you'll be able to make a lot of sales, just like website copywriting, landing page, sales copy, all this business proposal, then persuasive message. So definitely you'll be able to make lots of sales. This particular gigs I've actually tried out and I have made a lot of sales on this. So definitely if you create a gig in this category, you'll be able to make a lot of sales. The fourth one we'll be looking at is business name. What do I mean by business name? You know, everybody is starting a business and most of them don't know how to come up with one, but they have some ideas or what they actually want to do, but to come up with a business name for their business, it's kind of like hard for them. So if you create a gig in this category, definitely you'll be able to make a lot of sales in this category. So there are different ways in which you can actually create your own gig, which I have discussed about how you can set up a perfect gig on Fiverr. So if you create a gig in this business name, definitely you'll be able to make a lot of sales. The fifth gig we'll be discussing is website design. Yeah, website design is kind of like large, and yeah, it's kind of like too competitive on Fiverr, most especially. But that doesn't mean that you cannot even make your own sales out of it. If you create the gig in the perfect way and you make your gig image well catchy, your gig title, your gig description, and if you target the low competitive and high competitive tag, definitely you are going to make a lot of sales if you create a gig on website design service. The sixth gig you'll be discussing is social media management. Here, social media management is kind of like, and most especially everybody needs this kind of thing. Most business actually need it, and it's kind of like hard because most people don't know how to use social media platform. So but if you have an idea on how you can actually do it, you are going to make a lot of sales on Fiverr. And you can check here on Fiverr marketplace to see how social media gigs are actually performing on the marketplace, and people are actually hiring freelancers to manage or create a social media pages for their business, in which and you are going to manage their social media account either monthly, weekly, or yearly. It actually depends on how you actually want to work with such buyer. So if you create a gig in this category, definitely you are going to make a lot of sales over. The seventh gig you'll be looking at is SEO service. What do I mean by SEO service? SEO service is large, so, and there are people who are actually dominate this SEO service, which are India, Pakistan, like that. So, but it doesn't mean that it's limited to that certain country. And there are people who are actually they actually dedicate their time for that kind of service. But if you can offer, or you are capable to do an SEO service on Fiverr, definitely you'll be able to make a lot of sales on Fiverr platform. And it's kind of like large. Some do backlinks, some do off-page SEO, and some do on-page SEO. But the SEO service is kind of like larger. So just depend on the one you can actually do, and of course you are going to make a lot of sales on it. The eighth gig we'll be discussing about is beat making. What do I mean by beat making? If you are an artist, or also a producer, or how would I put it, like, yeah, all those kind of things. So I'm actually doing my own research, and I found out that there are a lot of people who are actually interested in this beat making of it, and the competitive is very, very low. Competitive is very, very low, because I check on the gig and I found out like it's less than thousands of gigs on this gig, on this service, so which is beat making. So if you can create a gig here on beat making gig, you are going to make a lot of sales if you have idea on how the thing is done, because that particular job is not something that you can actually be outsourcing to someone, because there are a lot of stress in it. But if you know your way through it, definitely you are going to make a lot of sales on it. With all these 8 gigs being said, if you know your way through everything, definitely in 1 or 2 gigs you are going to make a lot of sales on them. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.